Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is the Hammered Airsoft Smith, and I'm bringing you a video regarding WE 1911 style gas blowback pistols. Now, every now and then, eventually, just from using a WE 1911 style pistol, you'll notice your plunger tube will get loose. Don't worry about it. Don't sweat it. I'm going to show you right now how to fix this. Now, this is a prop. And quickly, I want to explain to you how this happens. Now, here's a fully assembled 1911 style pistol. It's my Colt 1911A1 gas blowback. You gotta realize something here, if you don't already realize it. This plunger tube has a spring in the middle. And then there's a plunger here and a plunger here. This whole plunger assembly is being sandwiched by your thumb safety and your slide stop. So there's always pressure. Not a lot. But the real pressure begins when you shoot your gun. That hard recoil vibrates that plunger tube loose eventually. And what contributes to loosening that plunger tube is when your pistol locks back, like so. Now, I'm not saying that the recoil of the pistol or the pistol locking back is unhealthy for the gun. It's not. It's natural. It's just eventually, even with the real steel 1911s, you need to restake or tighten your plunger tube. Okay? It's normal. Don't worry about it. That's what I'm here for. You take your pistol down to the point to where you can remove this section here. And then you turn it over like so. And you should be able to see that there's a stake and another stake. Each stake has a washer around it. Keep that in mind. You get a Q-tip. You wipe those sections down. You get rid of any debris, any oils, any lubricant, anything, so that way it feels nice and dry on those spots. Then you get some super glue. Yes, some super glue. I've never been a big glue user, but Lynx really does the job. I've been using it. It's amazing. Amazing. It dries in about like 5 or 10 minutes. I would seriously give it about an hour before reassembling and using it again. Okay? After application, of course. Let's not forget. Now, you're going to want to apply one drop onto each side of those stakes. Okay, you see them there? Circular sections there. You're going to apply one drop on each side of each stake. It's easiest to hold the frame like so. 1, 2, 1, 2. After you apply those 2 drops, flip the frame over so your plunger tube is upward. Again, leave it to dry an hour minimum before you reassemble your pistol and take it out shooting. And if I were you, because this is what I would do, after that's dry for about an hour, I would reassemble my pistol, lock and load, and take it out for a test drive. Make sure your pistols work fine. Make sure that that glue, that Lynx glue right here, does the job right. If it doesn't tighten that plunger tube, apply a little more. Don't apply a bunch, just apply a little more. Give it about an hour again. But I can almost guarantee you, that after that little bit of application that I showed you the first time, 1 drop per side, 1, 2, 1, 2. Wait an hour, it'll be fine. Snug, not even budging. Your pistol will be running like new again. How long will it take before that plunger tube gets loose again? Who cares? Because you know that you can fix it. I don't know if I mentioned, but because I was a little hyped up for a second there. It's exciting, you know. But Lynx in the U.S. very cheap. I can afford it. You can afford it. Walmart or any do-it-yourself kind of store. I know, Walmart sucks. Get over it. This glue kicks, man. Use it. I swear. In the UK, you got even better stuff over there. You got that, Zap-A-Gap. Hey, you know. Either way, Lynx or Zap-A-Gap, you apply a little bit there on the stakes. Let it dry, an hour tops, come back, boom. Alright. Thanks very much for watching. No need to thank me. That's what I'm here for. I realized, this is a huge pleasure for me. I realized over time of going on YouTube and going online, I couldn't find a way to tighten this plunger tube. It's just such a simple way. My pleasure to show you how to do it. The simplest way. Again, thanks very much for watching. Subscribe if you want. Comment if you will. Rate if you like. Thanks.